we are about to meal prep for our trip. As you guys saw last, we booked our campsite and we're staying at the Traverse City State Park and very excited. But now we're about to make some food. We have a little list. Here's our list that we need to meal prep. Pancake muffins, chia pudding, chorizo, bacon, taco meat, fruit, veg, potatoes, all that. And I think today we're gonna make oatmeal balls, cut up cheese and pickled bologna, and something else. Actually, we might just see if we get through it all. We picked up the groceries today from the grocery store. We just did Meyer pickup, so super fast and easy. And yeah, now let's get into it. We need to get this going because today is Tuesday and we leave Thursday after work. Let's do this.
I just want cheese, 45 racks on me. Dinner with the fam on a boat overseas. I just want the cash on me. Always got the racks on me, got the facts on me. Yeah, big time stunner. These strings like it's all on me. And now my stats clean and the suicide doors like me. Damn, man, screw anybody try to hate on me. But they not really hating, they low-key loving it. Shout out to the live, low-key bubbling. I'm just going up in the stars, feeling heavenly. Top that, top it if you can. Like said, drop that, drop it right now, don't carry. Yeah, we love on the ground, yeah. Life on the ground, gang, gang. Yeah, bang, bang. We could go off, bang, bang. Yeah, we could start some, bang, bang, bang. We could go off, bang, bang.
I'm like, bang, bang. I'm a nigga with the flow coming through with the heat. I'm a nigga from Vanda, Nico Jenna. You know we a Vanda, you know Anda. Shut up to the Stella. Robbie heat on the beach like a bella. I'm a banjo, I'm a banjo. Young kalanya pisang ang mabengo. Bakong bigang bango. You know they hating on the vision. Why you missing? You be missing. Why y'all niggas ain't you be tripping? Why you tripping? I'm a nigga with the face, take a licking. I got few full streets, I'm a wishing. On my wish list, on my wish list. I be raging up on the basement. I ain't dissing.
We could go off, bang, bang. Yeah, we could start some, bang, bang, bang. Yeah, we could go off, bang, bang, bang.
Hey yo, Castro, I think I like this one.
We have officially finished all of the cooking. I didn't look at what time we started, but it probably took us a couple hours. And we did everything. We were not planning on doing everything, but we did the dang thing. So let me show you everything. Look at how beautiful. All this is cut up. So limes, cheese, tomatoes, broccoli, more cheese, strawberries, grapes. This is chorizo and eggs. This is our pancakes that Jay made. We have energy balls with protein powder in them. And then we have our taco meat, cucumber, peppers. This is turkey bacon that's cooked, so we just have to warm it up. Pickled bologna, more strawberries, and potatoes. So that is everything that we made, and it looks fabulous. It's so hard not to eat it because I want to eat all of it right now. We have 2 more days before we leave. And I'm glad we got that done. I'll see you when we start packing our bags for like clothes and all the camping gear and all that, because we still need to pack all that up. But at least the food is checked off the list. Hello guys, it is day 2 of packing, and now we are starting to pack everything up. We're going through everything to make sure we have it first. So we love making lists, so we have a list for that too. Like all of our camping gear, can you see that? All that, yeah. So camping gear, miscellaneous, clothes, excuse me, all of that good stuff. So we have it all filled in our living room right now, and we're gonna go through and make sure we have everything. Jay's just gonna grab it, move it to the side, and I'm gonna check it off the list. I'm gonna set you guys up so we can do this fast because we also have music playing, so you won't be able to hear us. All right, let's do this.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done.
This is everything that we're taking for just Jay and I, but this is a lot of the main stuff, like we were bringing it. So we're about to load it up, and we have the turtle on top that we're gonna fill up too. Oh yeah.
You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it.
We got it all packed up in there, so now we're just opening and closing. Moment of truth.
Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wait.
Ooh, because it was. Oh, there she goes. Muscle. Good thing you got the muscle. Yay! High five. How much more stuff do we have?
That guy, nothing to let you out, but it all comes down.